So, mga kabatak. Kabatak.
Team, di ba? Team tayo, guys.
So, team,
Yeah.
mga teammates.
Okay.
First, cover your pan with butter.
Love.
Like this one, I cover the pan with butter. Yeah.
Hold on.
Or this one, I cut it like this, like a triangle one. But you can cut it the way
The way you want it to be.
the way you want it to cut it, and yeah, it's up to you, my friend.
It's up to you, my friend, because the result is
Same. The result is same. But because I have a like, artistic mind, very imaginary mind.
imaginary friend.
Imagination. I have very
So,
just like this, like that. Okay. So I
and my
melt the
friend,
butter.
I'll follow him, my friend. Okay, so
I melt the
mga-
butter.
you just melt.
Oh,
The next is the
3x.
3 for 1 pan.
2 cups of milk.
What milk is that? Full cream?
Full cream milk. Like that.
Kung may tanong kayo, itanong nyo na lang dito.
Yeah. 2 cups. Alright.
Alright. Okay.
For you.
Exactly. You're right. Oh. I think that's gonna be too sweet, Lovey.
Alright.
Alright. Oh. So this is yung egg, and then the milk, and then the butter, and then the condensed milk. Vanilla extra. Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Makas-makas ni?
Excuse me. I want you to makas.
Ano makas-makas?
Makas.
And just mix it together. Together and forever. Until maluto. Ang dilim, Labi. Kumakita. Okay, haluin mo. Basta yan. Haluin mo yun ka. Basta yan, guys. Haluin nyo, guys. Ha? Dapat halo talaga siya. Hmm? Okay. Basta yan, guys. Okay. Okay, so okay, why dates?
Because I love dates.
No, pwede yung raisin yung maliliit kaso wala siyang raisin. So, yun na lang, dates na lang yung gagamitin niya. Cut it into small pieces. Parang raisin. Okay, so yan.
Lalagay ko na siya, guys.
Dilim-dilim tayo. Yung ano natin. Ilaw.
So, dapat masok yung lahat.
Ganyan lang siya.
Masok yung lahat na
Okay.
tinapay mo.
Soak lang dapat yung bread. Okay.
Masok lahat yung tinapay mo.
Okay. So, yan na yung hinalo-halo natin na butter, milk, egg. Ano ba yung labi? And condensed milk. Alright. So, there it is.
Oh,
Next, the dates or the raisin then. If yun yung available nyo. Okay. There. Basta yan. Basta ilalagay nyo lang siya. Diyan. Ganyan. Okay. So, para ma-soak lang talaga siya. Okay, so eto na yung ilalagay sa oven. Ready na siya. preheated yung oven, right?
Yep, 250 degrees.
So, before nyo siya ilalagay, preheated na dapat.
Let's check.
Oh. Tawag dyan, crust. Oh.
Mm. Pan ko po muna kasi para to bukas para sa church.
Nakakasayo namin. Okay, so yan.
Para bukas, ready na siya. Ready to go na kami bukas.
Alright.